Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change page number in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Word file in my computer, and as you can see I have applied page number to this document and I'm going to change it. If we want to change the page number, we need to go to the insert menu and we're going to select the page number. And now I'm applying at the bottom of page and I'm going to change the type of the bottom of page. I'm just going to select this one, for example, and now as you can see that the page number has been changed. But if you want to change it to the top of page, you have to remove it first. You have to remove page number. If you immediately apply the top of page, so you will get a double page number like this. So you have to remove the bottom of page first. Go to the insert and then remove page number, and you can apply the top of page like this. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change page number in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.